Well, here we are waiting to go on the Ocracoke Cedar Island ferry. Getting ready to board. It's 7:20 in the morning. Ferry leaves at 7:30. We got up from the campground about 6 o'clock and did our stuff and came down here. Been online, I guess about a half hour. We didn't have reservations, so there's a few people here. Looks like I don't know, probably 15 cars, but gonna be boarding now, and we'll see you on the ferry.
It's interesting. There's two guys on a motorcycle. It is chilly out here today.
Yeah,
the wind is still kicking.
47 degrees and probably blowing 15 to 20 easily. So they have an interesting ride on a motorcycle, that's for sure.
But they definitely have the gear, so they've done it before.
Yeah, not their first rodeo.
And here we go. On the ferry we go, guys. No drinking on the ferry.
No barking on the ferry.
No barking on the ferry.
No barking, not barking.
No barking.
No barking. Not
Barking.
No barking on the ferry.
How the heck did we do that? They're like, yeah, no, we changed our minds. So we already have our eye on the lifeboat.
Yep, we see the lifeboat.
So.
And we see the life rafts up there. The boat's on the left, the rafts are on the right.
I'm not sure where the life preservers are, but.
Yeah.
While you're waiting, you can go to the North Carolina Center for the Advancement of Teaching. Do a couple classes there. And get on the ferry.
And to the left here was the Swan Quarter Ferry. That left, I guess, a little bit before 7. There we go.
So it says no pedestrians, but how do the walk-ons get on?
Nope, they don't allow 'em. You gotta jump on the bumper. You want to go as a pedestrian, you gotta jump on somebody's bumper.
Welcome aboard.
Nope, not letting you.
These flags are whipping.
She's blowing. Down there, I wonder if that's Portsmouth Island.
Yeah, where's the ferries for that?
That goes out of Swan Quarter only for Portsmouth Island. I think we're gonna go to the left. Wait, that's gotta be
On the left. Okay, wait. Sorry, you gotta stop. You gotta stop talking. Warning. Now, so does this ferry chock the cars and trucks? Because the other ferry didn't. The other ferry was like, yep, you're good.
Yeah, don't know. Get in the back. Life jackets.
So there's life
140.
jackets, life jackets. He's telling you go there. 135.
Want to pull that mirror in?
Saying go that way a little. Okay. Okay. No, no, sir. No, 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 no.
Nope.
Stop. Graham.
You don't get no
what?
no wheel chocks. Look at the guys on the motorcycles. They're all chocked up and actually they're strapped. They have a strap going over them.
Do they really?
Yeah. I guess there's certain areas that they. So well, they would have to, so they don't.
Well, they don't roll off.
Yeah. Well, not roll off, but fall over. They have like a ratchet strap around them. Cool. And that's Ocracoke Inlet. Pull our mirror is in, so everybody has plenty of room. See you out in the water. Wow, we just hit some really, really big swells. Really pitching and rolling. Pretty cool. It's quite rough out here today. There's our lifeboat. Oh yeah. Don't know if you can see that on the water. See how the boat is swaying? It's quite rough out here. Oh, it's pretty up here. There's Cedar Island, way off in the distance. Looks like we did the same thing that we did when we went to Ocracoke. We kind of went west first into the wind, and now we're kind of got it to our starboard side, I guess it is. Pretty neat though. Definitely some waves. Cedar Island, Mans Harbor. See the waves there. Coming into port, Cedar Island. That's where the ferry is. Got to get back to the truck. I'm assuming we're going to back in. Bad boy up, ready to go. Welcome to Cedar Island. Cedar Island Post Office, North Carolina. Oh, there's a little campground right there.
Yeah, that's what it said, RV sites.
That's cute. Beaufort, 37 miles, more than 40.
Was it Beaufort or Beaufort?
I think this is Beaufort, South Carolina.